Today was Trump trial day 4, and on the way out of court today, Donald Trump said to a reporter that he was going to testify in his own defense. I'm Eliza Orlins, career public defender here in Manhattan for the last 14 years. A reporter who has been in court every day for the Trump trial says that on the way out of court today, Trump is asked by the media if he will testify, and he answers yes.
Yeah,
And this
I
is
would
what he's been
testify,
saying.
absolutely.
Now, as someone who's been a public defender for that long, I can tell you there are certain decisions that fall to the lawyer. So even if a client says, I want you to ask this question or present this piece of evidence, ultimately a lot of those decisions lie with me, the lawyer. However, the decision on whether or not to testify in your own defense lies solely with the person who is accused. The defendant gets to decide whether or not to testify, and no one can make that decision for someone. So even if Donald Trump's lawyers say to him, we don't think it's a good idea for you to testify, you're opening yourself up to cross-examination, this is why this could go very badly for us, here are the things that you're going to be able to be asked about, because they are having the Sandoval hearing regarding what evidence can be used in cross-examination. Let me know if you'd like to hear more about that. But ultimately, that decision is a fundamental right, and Trump will get to make that decision for himself. So we will see if he follows through on this promise to testify in his own defense. I would be pretty surprised if he got on the stand. I think it would not behoove him. I've, in only rare cases, put my client on the stand, even though obviously a jury wants to hear from them. I'm sure his lawyers have done an excellent job in voir dire saying, even if he doesn't testify, you know you can't hold it against him, you know you must presume him innocent. But I do think the case can be won or lost on the testimony of the accused. So it will be very interesting to see what happens, and I'll certainly be here keeping all of you posted. As always, like and follow for more, and feel free to leave questions in the comments. Thanks.